Vigorun Tech, a professional manufacturer in China, focusing on the production of remote control lawn mowers. You can buy directly from us with factory best price. Through this video, you can better understand our company and products. The video is a bit long, but it's worth patiently watching it through. Our office is located in the most prosperous CBD center of Weifang. Welcome friends from all over the world to visit us. Below are some of our main products. We are a production-oriented factory with our own R&D department. Next, we will demonstrate the production process. R&D. Laser engraving. Bending. Welding. Polish. Spray. Assembling. Test. Packaging. Shipping. Hardware parts we used adopt flange bolts, nuts. The assembly tools we used are complete and professional. We have sufficient spare parts for customers to choose. Provide easy and fast parts support to our dealers. All components are carefully selected before we decided to use them on our machine. We can confidently tell all my clients that there is absolutely no mowers can match ours on the market. This lawn mower is crawler type and it's our hot selling product and very popular in Europe and America market right now. The machine color is gray. And also there is orange for your choice. An optional snow blade is available for this mower. It can be removed when you don't want to use it. The grass cutting machine is our best seller with a very competitive price. It is wheeled type. 8 cm wide rubber wheels can protect your grassland perfectly. Our mowing robots are easy to operate. They're all remote control with a 200 meters long effective distance. We use 9 HP strong power Lanson engine, which adopts Euro 5 and EPA emission standards. It's very welcomed in EU and USA market. 15 centimeters wide rubber track, which is specially designed for steep slopes, can work normally below 50-degree slopes. For millimeters thick steel plates, makes our machine 17% heavier than similar products on the market, ensure a more stable machine and smoother mowing. This track grass cutting robot can do mulching when mowing. The cut grass will be smashed to cover the ground. The main feature of this wheeled bush trimmer is fast speed, can be up to 6 km per hour, which greatly improves the mowing efficiency. We have a very good and professional sales team. It's our pleasure to serve you.
Hello, I'm Dora, the sales director of Vigorun Tech. We are a professional remote control lawnmower manufacturer here in China. You can buy directly from us with the very best factory price. We are looking for distributors and dealers all over the world. If you are interested, welcome to contact us. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.